Kick-ass facts, pew pew pew! Women trailblazers through the ages, and we are in the 1900s. Barbara McClintock, 1902, discovered jumping genes or transposons. She changed our understanding of genetic inheritance. Without her, we wouldn't have modern genetics, including epigenetics and biotechnology applications. Elsie McGill, 1905, first woman to design an aircraft. She played a key role in producing Hurricane fighter planes in World War II. Without her, we wouldn't have early innovations in aircraft design and engineering for war efforts. Maria Goeppert-Mayer, 1906. She developed the nuclear shell model of atomic nuclei, earning a Nobel Prize in Physics. Without her, we wouldn't have a deeper understanding of the atomic structure and nuclear energy. Rachel Carlson, 1907, she wrote Silent Spring, which led to the modern environmental movement and pesticide regulations. Without her, we wouldn't have bans on harmful pesticides like DDT and environmental awareness. Mary G. Ross, 1908, was the first Native American woman engineer at Lockheed. She helped design early space exploration missions. Without her, we wouldn't have contributions to interplanetary travel and satellite development. Dorothy Crowfoot Hodgkin, 1910, used X-ray crystallography to determine the structure of important biomolecules like penicillin, insulin, and vitamin B12. Without her, we wouldn't have insulin treatments for diabetes and a better understanding of antibiotics. Chen Sheng Wu, I'm sorry if that's wrong, 1912, conducted the Wu experiment, proving the violation of the law of conservation of parity in weak nuclear forces, contradicting previous theories. I don't know what the fuck that meant either. Without her, we wouldn't have a correct understanding of fundamental physics laws, including quantum mechanics. Marie Tharp, 1920, mapped the ocean floor, proving the existence of the mid-Atlantic ridge and plate tectonics. Without her, we wouldn't have evidence for continental drift and modern geology. Rosalind Franklin, 1920, provided key evidence for DNA's double helix structure. Without her, we wouldn't have a clear understanding of DNA, which is fundamental to genetics and medicine. Vera Rubin, 1928, provided the first conclusive evidence of dark matter's existence. Without her, we wouldn't have our current understanding of galaxy rotation and dark matter. Tu Youyou, 1930, discovered artemisinin, a revolutionary treatment for malaria. Without her, we wouldn't have effective malaria treatments that have saved millions of lives. Lynn Conway, 1938, revolutionized microchip design, making modern computing possible. She was fired from IBM in the 1960s after coming out as a trans woman. Without her, we wouldn't have modern computing power from smartphones to supercomputers. Dr. Patricia Bath, 1942, she noticed a higher prevalence in cases of blindness with Black Americans and published a paper on the subject in early 1970s. In 1985, she invented a special probe that increased the accuracy and safety of cataract surgeries. In the early 2000s, she pioneered the addition of ultrasound to her method, which made the procedures even more precise. Today, doctors still use the technology around the world. Sally Ride, 1951, she was the first American woman in space and advocated for STEM education for young girls. She faced sexism at NASA and had to answer ridiculous questions like whether space travel would affect her reproductive system. Without her work, we wouldn't have greater representation of women in space exploration and STEM.